Okay, the first person will be in the picture. Okay, step right up to us. And now. Alright, all set. You may go now. That'll do it. Hey, sis. What do you know about your annual position? I've known that you're my teenage sister. Well, my mom told me to go to college multiple times, but I always knew that I have never go. Then my picture take going take uh, my picture before. Also, I am full of reason and ideas, you know? Well, that's why we're here in the first place. You know that we're waiting our turns for our pictures. Hey, January. My educational institution with my teacher in school, those give me one day to read books and to do math. That's why I am a fifth grader. Besides, there is no such thing as a lot of bad stuff that I'm going to do. So I am always a good student for scholarships. That's right, Friezella. You'll always be my middle-aged sister. I've known that you've been pretty good at school. That's all. Next, please. Well, February, what do we want to do today? Well, sweetheart, we would enjoy a nice, relaxing day at the park. You know, I can hear birds chirping and all kinds of nature stuff. Well, I'm here, glad to hear that, sis. Hey, look, over there. Two girls. Go over there. Hmm. Hey guys, we're the Valentine couples, and we wanted to relax under the trees. That's all. So, anyways, my name is Sweetheart, and I'm a very nice boy. And right there, that's my sister, February. Huh? Mm. Wow. February looks cute, pretty, and single. She's the most perfect Valentine girl I've ever seen. So, you know that your names are Annabelle and Kiara, right? So, we're relaxing under the tree for shade. Yeah, we like to join both of you for shade. Yeah. Well, you two girls deserve chocolate candy with love. Are you excited? Come on, we'll be there in no time. Oh, sounds like a great idea. Okay, now. Hello, everyone. My name is Irish, and I am March's middle aged sister. And I love flowers and everything. I am always sure that the leprechauns are kind to each other, but somehow most leprechauns like gold and other things. Maybe like, maybe for maybe like, maybe that the four-leaf clovers are kind of nice. But well, at some point March told me that the rainbows are sparkling, and which is why my mom had figured out what I should do this year. Well, that's all there is. But I am also Rainbow Riches. Okay, we are clear.